Hello guys, welcome to Education Mark. In this video, we will talk about TCS NQT technical questions part 1, and I will also share the more videos on TCS NQT questions. Normally I am making job recruitment videos, so till now if you did not subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel. You can also check out on my channel. You will get lot of job recruitment videos. So first question is improper formation of which of the following data structure can cause unintentional looping of a program that uses it. So our answer is a linked list. What is the data type that occupies the least storage in C language? So integer take a 4 bytes in the case of a 64-bit system, and a character take a 1 byte, and a double take 8 byte, and a float take 4 byte. So character use less storage, which is 1 byte. So our answer is character. Third question is which are incorrect option for array. So same data type, sequence, memory allocation, and we can change the size of array at runtime. Counting item in array is appropriate. So first one is correct, second one is correct. So we cannot change the size of array at runtime. So this is the wrong and our answer. Fourth question is which of the following is not a core of OS. So file management, multitasking, and memory management is the core or tasks of OS, but virus protection is not the task of OS. So this is the answer. Fifth question is a program reads in 500 integer in range of 0 to 100, representing the score of 5000 students. It then print the frequency of each score above 50. What would be the best way for program to store the frequencies? So if we know the size of array, or if we know our requirement, how much size we need, then we normally declare the size of array. But if we do not know the size of array, then we normally use dynamic memory allocation. In this case, we need only frequency which have above 50. So we need 51 to 100. So the size of array will be 50. So answer is A, an array of 50 numbers. So sixth question is normally what is performing in this question. So as you can see, this is the program of factorial. Here we normally use a recursion to solve this problem. So our answer is a recursion, C. And seventh question is till the array element are not given any specific value, they are supposed to contain all. So what it will take? 0 garbage value combination of a 0 and 1, or 1. So our answer is garbage value. If we do not assign any value to the array, then it will give garbage value. So eighth question is which of the following statement is false? The time complexity of a binary search is O log of n. So this is correct. Second one is a linear search require a sorted array. So this is not correct, because this is not a compulsory. A binary search can operate only on a sorted list. So this is correct. And the fourth one is the time complexity of the linear search is O of n. So 1, 3rd, and 4th option is correct, and our answer is a linear search require a sorted array. So this is false. Ninth question is the difference between variable declaration and variable definition is. So this is very easy question, but normal people get confused in this question, and they will do wrong. So be careful for this question also. So first option is declaration and definition are the same, there is no difference. So this is wrong. A declaration is used for variable and definition is used for function. No, this is also wrong. Declaration associate type to the variable, whereas definition associate with the scope. This is also incorrect. And fourth one, declaration associate type to the variable, whereas definition gives the value to the variable. So fourth one is correct, because normally declaration means we just define integer or a float, whatever the data type of any variable, and after that in definition we just give the value of that particular variable. 10th question is where are the local variable stored? So in the memory, local variable are stored in stack memory. So 11th question is which data type has more precision? So this is also a very confusing question. Normal people get confused in this question also. So answer is double. And you can also read the explanation. This data type has more digit towards the digit of decimal points as compared to other data types. For instance, the float data type contains 6 digits of precision, whereas double data type comprise of 14 digits. So our answer is double. So 12th question is, what happen if we assign a value to an array element whose subscript exceed the size of array? So first option is this program will give error. Second one is no output. Third one is program will crash, and the fourth one is none of these. Normally in this question people get confused that which option is correct. So normally people do this program will give error. So correct output is program will crash. Next and final question is, what will be the output of above code? So as you can see on code, we have given a float variable f, and we assign the value of that variable 0.1, and after that we are not comparing in if statement, we just assign the value f to again 0.1. So control statement first go in if, and after that it will print yes. If the value will 0, then it will go inside the else statement, so it will print yes. So thank you guys. If you feel that this video is beneficial for you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, so you can get more update like this type of videos. Thank you.